fall on my motorhome. Definitely some crazy weather we're having. Tropical storm Irma, I think it is. You know, torrential downpour rain, some heavy winds, but then all of a sudden, the sun comes out, and it was sunny a couple minutes ago, and then it starts to pour again, and then it gets windy again. So definitely crazy weather. Woo! Oh, the tree just broke. Up there, look, here it goes. Shit, can I hit my car? Whoa! Oh my God. The top of that tree just came off. Oh, a tree across the street just fell on their house. Holy shit! Over there, the tree just fell on their house. Holy cow! I'm gonna move the motor home because I'm afraid this tree is gonna come down on it. I'm actually moving the motor home because the winds are a lot stronger than I expected, and I don't want there to be any problems. I don't want a tree to come down and go right through the motorhome. So what did I say about crazy weather? The sun's out. I don't get it. I don't understand, but the sun's out. It's going crazy, man. There's trees all over the neighborhood, streets everywhere. We'll take a little tour in a couple minutes. Go see the carnage out in the neighborhood. Make sure that door's closed and we'll go flying open. It's crazy, dude, crazy. I ended up moving the motorhome away from the trees and out into the street because I thought for sure that one of those trees was gonna come down and take it out, but I don't know. There she is out in the street. But if you see all the way down there by there, look at that down there. A tree in the middle of the road. That's legit, yo! So it's absolute madness. What was supposed to be a very mild tropical storm has turned into like a hurricane slash maybe tornadoes in the area. I don't know. I'm hearing some crazy sounds up there. It sounds like a plane flying over my head. And there's trees just breaking and falling off all over the place. It's absolute chaos, but it's awesome. I love nature. I love Mother Nature's fury, if I can say it that way. Ah, my portable heater. Destroyed. Ah, kinda. My surfboard. Whoops, forgot to put my surfboard away. My lawn tractor that broke down the other day. My umbrella was out, but it's I put it on the floor. It blew up in the air, I guess. Transformer and wire fire. Transformer fire, tree and wires at Hopes Avenue in Clark. That's by Mickey's daughter's house.
What just happened?
Transformer fire and wires down.
On the next block over
Clark.
Grandma's.
Hopes and Clark.
Oh,
this street down and then down there.
Oh.
So if you're asking why we're sitting outside during such a dangerous time, it's because the spot that we're sitting in doesn't have any trees or anything that's gonna fall on us. So all the trees are back on the other side of my property, on my neighbors, and across the street. That's why I moved the motorhome here so no trees fall on it. It's absolute madness. It's like tornado conditions, it feels like. And the sun's out. Why is the sun out during a tropical storm? Definitely the crazy, look at this. Look at the skies. It's like the craziest weather I've ever experienced in my life. Hands down. That's it. The storm has moved on. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Quick little video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. We're going to keep trying to post more, but you know, life gets in the way. Things are difficult. Thanks for watching. See you around. Keep your eye out for our next camping video.